The atmosphere has been really nice here in Llais. We're so happy to be here this year. The Wales Millennium Centre is such an iconic venue. It's a little bit nerve-wracking, but it always feels really special when we play here.
All the bands have been amazing, you know, everyone's just been so great and the audience have really been into it as well, so I feel like, you know, everyone has come to like check out the music but also have a great vibe as well.
Wel, mae fe braf i gael ei gyfle i chwarae mewn gwyl mor fawr a mor bwysig yng Nghymru. Fel band sy'n cyfuno cerddorion o Gymru a India, mae fe'n gret i gael y cyfle i roi'n cerddoriaeth ni ar llwyfan rhwngwladol sy'n gerddoriaeth rhwngwladol.